Hello, agus phodchraoladh hic na seachtainí mas pointed seans a bhlacu glaciad na seansalaithe. Is me sé Hugh McGillicharr a ras a ríis Áine galanta Áine bre gal le chuidir J ar aonos. Ma anseo le Mhurchú agus Mhurchú mar is scré ar dúsbair na seála Áine bhuiir Áine mar tatu.
Mae go mai hiú tá hinnta tá Eagrán specialta go nniu so tá súil go mór le sin.
Kinse the chance mat the gurkers off or YouTube being surprise melt but sure look be grant just not arc Cornell a Harvey fast the shot like James Flaherty James Jimmerthete
absolutely class thank you
enthusiasm is palpable just like like in McCree Mordert Áine tá Eagrán inta special going Eagrán nachlo gento going Rio Éagrán le E specialty. I know agus the gra. I know it's mission an E specialty. Get it, Hugh E. Like that's you know, I'm a comedy genius. Acta E AOI specialty ugging and Tamshaw agus ta atnig of Ari as block TGCar agus as taste play agus as Gale talk agus as feckin ahanrod le general Gaelic. Is he tech support na Gael I hain Leah ní Mhurchú Leah Jimmer tatu.
Go mai ar bit kind of anseo anseo mar kind of mar an chéad é.
Is honor more agus tamasasta gur aithníonn tú
bit dollar CV sagam be post LinkedIn sus not be barha no take on top of seo.
Is this a kind of the daine sinna I just dig in LinkedIn. Ní hiaglam sé úsáid ar Harvey is demon tusa le hain na LinkedIn.
Grál am LinkedIn sure like tá áfas níl tú buinte leis an Gaeilge so nuair deanam na rudí buinte leis an Gaeilge I'm like guys look tasí agam taobh an muid a fas agam and it's cool so sinna fá like just it's grál am like agus take am nach dat níl se le mór an daoine na daoine I genu you know sail proficiente soccer so yeah.
Hanóir héim ar LinkedIn agus sin dúirhin uair sa teachtain ach an céadúir de gcónaí a hagan níos na postal uair ó Leah ní Mhurchú.
I know. Brunner, but like it's grálame like tá sé kendan you know near tá na app sin agad and you do like Snapchat, Instagram, you know the rhymes I imagine to LinkedIn mar candan the app sin no it's grálame.
See ní hiaglam sa bheith professional. I think that's just outside of my remit. Ní féidirlam sa bheith more thing professional in any capacity like Obrium like ar line really but like ní hiaglam a bheith like tá ma hostess le bheith more farts done you know and Éagrán galanta seo you know agus is honor more dúsa seo a dhéanú
folks to Carmsis because bhí me ar mé ar cur CEO sagam ceistir an dollar huge sus libh and you know degan us na daoine you know a learning like a being towards takeochtm or LinkedIn but then bhí sé ag Lord Trump we post talk and I was like right why aren't you giving it a like then what that can do it so like tá gan go bhfuil daoine mo fosig eáis so I'm like right tá me se cos ná eile seo agus spam any
I feel like Hugh come on this is just in the jokes at LinkedIn
Ní hiaglam sé dhéanú agus móhim sa like le LinkedIn it's almost like you know an dá your actor or Facebook like na rudí bí na sean daoine you know like the like this post to you know for one you know for manifestation to LinkedIn land rudí mar sin it's like hug me se farste agus níro éidir bír agus níro casa ná leabhar ar bí ar agus dúirtelum níro ma out an postá dhéanú a hug ma seanstá agus nis is Bill Gates and then like for positive things can happen or whatever. It's like, hey, that fucking screw shaw like
Ag fiúnar hosí mise má chuntas LinkedIn bhí me an dearnach I crochu cean sim gur nuirí agus díreach Harrod de béala chu me dír ag lehanní Hugh agus James agus na daoine go me goberló just lear cindói hocuinn tú sús do lehanach agus bhí sin cód ar uair bhí me just tíar sweet like ní seo na daoine go lehana go bhar churbe na baios bhí agam like jeez like cos le daoine eile go thomláid a bhí go déna chuir síos ar.
Well is it really though Mel Thomas go má can't shite so we should not literally just a ed so that's just a beginning needs professional but you know absolute waffle on my page anyways.
Bhí an picture fiú atá úsáid James ar LinkedIn sa tá sé cóide friú lo na picture chuir sé áidir ar Instagram. Like tá ceann seo profisiúnta sílam gur ghlacu é fa chuine LinkedIn tá cumas léir an léar sa sé sí kind of ag an taú agus just cuma ar gur lad an waithe agus an sin taú sáil ag contas Instagram suige fe tú rud eile a bháirt gomlan.
I don't think you mag a job aanpost dat was mo baas maar laat dat Instagram zit
Ma hun ra fast because like obviously Leah is against the whole profession to like but that ran the farste as the gal higgin geeltucht agus more stelta agus more canara agus you know to raw profession to it's in the setting sin ni ma to a caiúin mus in seo.
Ryan sheet having a knock women on the rash see on hanging door just to should disgusting him and on shield trading doors
to like do not allow signs to us in the shinogs agus agus GAA
yeah no name on the rash but no film wish a lot yeah it's a shedig we just did a camera August to picture agum than bird jogging August to come ain't up ring.
Yeah, oh kind much picture Shail.
No, to like Greg Justin Bieber arms is like because we shot more camera agus visha I think has been put the country but shot can agus be like in prom like Jared the ruddy whatever agus this is like a goon like glass like or I think Russia glass yeah
it was doing bomb but
oh sorry.
You're gar Hugh.
Gar Hugh.
Be my foster, so we can car door.
Yeah, exactly. So just run a fast go molest.
Sílam gur gahi sibh ceantan na scéalta seo a insint faoi a bheith húsing dór, mar bin mu gcóí mag a faoi James agus si se léir agus bhín ar a chud scéalte náach a gcóí insint so caiisi runégad insint faoi J Harley.
Look, cad a tarlíonn taxi Charlie Mac fan taxi Charlie Mac. Níama John
happy. It's like ní mission on fiú Lord Twain already harder because called genuine PTSD agam. That's no like ní man to runner, but to sin fága idir ganol. Beidir ar hemrás an sorry shop beidir go min on Lord Twain sin ach gotí seo.
Ag bé sin tu tú sí a chatarne in bídor no Tilio no bet you're leis your canning if we're feeling fancy
yeah like cahar more no but bhí amar dóid me se an sorry Jarnach and I'm on a bit more camera on first so I know brunach to make to go more leis go to film go dar sé cos to sé tastal and yeah into coronavirus but yeah to make more less
Guidor I think we've been like here that's my goal
in Guidor
wow it's good hook san rud céine rá sílam gur mar géine dúsa
come spell I think nach romach good thing yeah just sneak on my chest the clubhouse like
yeah Guidor a lot just fair le bheith
yeah like je was kiel dat was maar kon gaan like dat was maar on aarde show voor je langer ga je maar goed wie mis je 4 foot nothing is maar goed either if we custom bouncer in the route ging zo maar zeggen anyways but I don't know voor maar zeggen anyways is ridiculous
en daar je opper shot though net mo coming to the shop Leah now chuck it just in daar agus we should like what genish what to or chip on the ID that agus about to like yeah, and there's like right kaiti fan at the mention and then just finish the sec and then bitch it like all right
Vec ID agat agus vec is good vec ko solier nachtos a bhí agus just arcade there is arcade there to just dirt it go on
crazy absolutely crazy a moi James near him must go me job it's everything so again national him must go to summer and pint baby mar bianti
no not from pledge Tokyo am leis conartu
well near sin Airbri
hoog ben pledge gotí dús ma gotí mach ma cúdig
hílam go tú dance ra go James
no
tú ní ma go go gotí and then dús shit cúdig
gotí a moira gotí
oops
Team Garach James ar an pledge cos le dry January. Tréimh se ggéir.
É, go le. Tá mó cuiimú tá mó methodology le dry January ceart. So Áine, come on. Tá 100% ceart.
Nítá sin James dry January go dtí an deithú le a mí anar.
Yeah. No.
In ébre as aige.
Yeah, but annoying. So come on.
Okay.
Agus technically tá seachtainí dúnta anyways. River, because you might go to March New Year's and that, so it's only a long. So it's 30 days go dry January done. Law one flock.
Bhris an pledge Leah nar chuní an pledge.
Fun fact, níor me se go dtí Jerry McCaidlín ar an ollscoil. Ri me se McCaidlín a le ar an ollscoil sober. Bhí mé I know, but bhí amar dói agam sin an rud níl alcohol tastal am Thomas an an amach agus amar dói agam sober. So and then hosí me go ag Jerry and Caitlin and I've never looked back. So it's ain't mine. But capam go well my limit fólim agam anish because bhí mé mock yeah shock no in. And I was right, I haven't been drunk in a while, right, rahí mé amach shots dahan dinner. And bhí mé coach in and Madden Dargon. And it's, Goni is oh, I'm never drinking again. But literally task on my limit inish, so Tom I should just come stop again. Because if you can Ardash and Alio, people shocking him, being on stop August, bhí mé Carclor Madden Dargon. So yeah, it's
Allman do and Kinner is a limit on. Gilly Allman do Kinner means a limit at.
I know.
Bhreisiú le fáil amach cin limit.
Sin so task am anish nar mohiam mein sin this emma I'm right ishka on bar. So yes, the Shan van me, but Sherlock O'Bringe.
Now, I can punch you or hide you the engine, then I'd say probably Sutter v jog. It was whenever you needed to stop.
Yeah. Shin fear, but kitchen ishka ain't.
Oh yeah. Shout out to the Hydro gang. Stay hydrated, folks. H2O. Ten podcast áirithe ag isce. Buntrialas isce ag ein tap. No, ein budget.
Oh, sin cash my King
J.
Budget isce brand isce. It's far enough.
Smailm sa Evian, mas mohu get a bougie. Let's James Shahik Santra just find could be budgel. It's mo Sierra, yeah. It's mo agus a Sierra Santra own brand ishke. Niam sin nert my guy ve jazz to him. It's move to Evian, but a better,
Better Fiji, no Ross.
Oh,
bougie.
Vein bougie.
Ring him show J Wando agus chod law bill go make shupo from budgel ishke different. Is Fiji on ishke on Earth.
Really?
It's like Fijians built a dams of the Vale.
Take a J dams of the Vale.
Fijians.
This literally shouldn't do James to the heart. Just to make it.
Fijians, I'd say. Fijians.
Okay. My.
Folklore.
Because the focal Alice again, at that intercost like a jet.
Near few sweetie shares.
No, man. These are both grain.
And she mad it's nie Claire. To a hog, a large dog. Oh yeah.
Need to corrupted go forward.
No, yeah. I do not testing goes like corrupted Turker like.
I don't know.
Leah to foioi actually gur which cur de slave ar an chláir agus bhí tagan rudí Swiss agora being loirt le couple of seachtainií a couple of Venus to actually chat was ar sé than phodchraoladh and is gan bhfuil so ionta dochrate ach the topic going to tagan Swiss in is Sraith agus ahan the lam a tagan Swiss har the sé Flyingwood's tweets acid agus sin topic na Taylor Swift.
Ní gom céim fá go mis an seo aní an slander a Ian Taylor ar an phodchraoladh seo. It's okay, it's given an céad episode a bhí si glóirt fuhí and it was like, okay, I'm like, right, okay, sin go bra, skip. And then bhí me géisteach le episode, like, cúpa seach nó hin, agus a rééis níos mó standard de tíar bocht.
If you equivalent céir de dúirtmuid, like dúirtmuid galore fuhís in Eagrán amháin, ach ní go céir actually a dúirtmuid a bhí go más like.
Just, oh my god.
Just spent an almost cart.
Yes, and mass atá tastal níor seán. But Sherlock to
buzz, like give up. Like
can buzz.
Give up, like
Taylor Swift.
It's not I'm so Drake, like, but I have to
no, to Taylor Swift agus Drake.
Freak, like.
To Taylor Swift, like mar darha, the music industry. Like current she bop amok like a réis ella. Just near Áine ella an level céine a hí. Just sin mar her
Ratches larger.
Tá sin fear. Like
you shouldn't just slander go chola artist era down.
And rightly so. Tá Hugh re-recordings she curmach like Iron a réis gráir like fáilte hana hain agus tá siad sin ag brisú like na record shop.
Agus on the rock when you smooth bobs you Taylor Swift and Drake.
Yes, Tommy.
No.
Yes, Tommy. Really? Tá Taylor Swift ó bhain mar Drake ní hanin Drake na mar horrible.
Yes!
Church Ella.
Good gira bhí mar cuairtas an Eagrán sin go gira bhí mar Gary.
Níl focail bí James fi láthair.
Look, tá se caclóir like tá bhar pitch turmí fion agam tá se mí cart, but look. Lánaí muid a right, tá Taylor Swift just ar level eile agus níl Drake ar an level sin go fóil. Beidir is a taici, but han go fóil. For them an cáil seo agáis nó.
Yeah.
Céim fá hiantú gohfuil na Swifties có-láidir like có-passionate. Ní ach mé riú landtóirí go leis an attribí eile.
Yeah, I know. What's the change version? Like, he can tell the call like ní sam. Ní clue am like.
Tá go leor fan bhí is go solution no like capan gohfuil na stands ceart like crazy like tá shit ar mórtha. So tá na Swifties solution. Harry her TikTok to mo for you page just Taylor Swift and you Taylor Swift. Tá galore le play like is funerary she curmach na album shin like she puts like the cryptic messages when like I am Anam na Iran atá an album and then kind Virginia over mock like she feeds the addiction to like she more hitched than I pasta. So tá na Swifties are more but it's locked or
as bhfuil tosa mar chuid sin.
No, fam a share get you good night shades in mock I'm like right girl
Taylor Swift even mar ein celebrity crush ein than like no like I mean ein lad geish like Kyola like
do you know what actually gon try to star shot to folklore inta mai ta Jerry machine live
ragged
Tá se aonanta mai na speidir sin just marall gold dulagman Bonnie Ver agus gur ring session like yeah in production don album ná níos mó
an lyricí ag mai an album sin flasta fi like already tá si kind fé am like níl cruúil agam go dé tá agrá but tean si jazz so Jenny sin job
Sílam dúsa to Taylor just is a certain dinner like I love to hate just ní ábalta cuidí leis caihí mé like kind of like definitely beam a canú le bapsa cíd is a ríis.
Oh yeah sure
caihí mé
1 second any an slander an phodchraoladh Tim or TikTok and Cade Rudd mo for you page known the following it's on you canú to Taylor Swift and you and slander where Taylor box an episode Riv Ray I was like not Neil shot this isn't adding up like constable shot yard so sin rud
bhí mé Timáint agus bhí Taylor ar FM agus just ní bháh de chuidú leis bhír cadú ach ná céide Good se Harry Styles nar bhí me trídeag agus just ní mé waithú dú.
Here we go again.
And that's all I'll say on the matter.
So tá Stan go One Direction an
seo fásta chumáid le
Go Joe in your.
Sin me se le so taken tú just to daine difriúla a gist. Misha Taylor, James Drake, Áine, One Direction, Hugh.
I don't know, fucking Frank Ocean during
Look,
an charm.
Drake marching for Come she just Drake marching just le raw anime kings. Like Neil Ian like personal connection I'm like a musician whatsoever. Like
James Virginia Geisha la land culture and there's Virginia Sakar like and like Jarna so Luke Combs that fish and the time with there.
Yeah, it's more Luke now in fairness.
Dan and Shay, Tatling Shit from them.
Yeah, there you go. Did you look what you found the Taylor Swift?
No. Me cart.
And gapping to like Marielle or just never made conscious and for a good you Harry Styles. I gap to like Marielle or like the relationships more being like changing his jazz of fandom because to like the phonic or like the breakup album or whatever machine and gap to vision if I go like do more like dingy and she.
Yeah, sure. Fiona be or in Grammys in her Bejer vi agus Harry Styles ag dúirt na chéile agus fléasc Twitter agus bhína edits to like seo ar TikTok. Like my dhéanann she rudder be change it or more but sure tá she le jo on and it's agus capan commission like Edson. I mean like you'll figure out Nagamarhi but like won't even wait. I think that's it. They're perfect for each other. Capum like Geraldine go she posted Neil she again but
and Tamar Fod disagreed Taylor on a first name basis.
I know.
Like she in a honey in the first or for me so basically neighbours like or if I could mention.
Okay, the segment Amsterdam.
Oh, okay.
Let me Google on facts for Taylor Swift. So we'll catch Neil on Leah.
Neil Sean Conrado sagum. Neil Sean Conrado sagum.
Get that darn animator.
Alison.
Sin rud nach bheith rósig go leor daoine.
Cin dáta brethe take?
Neil sin róla sagum.
Okay, so need to go done le Áine ví like your whole birthday member directly.
Not anymore. Ní cuiimhin am nishi.
Bhí Sean.
After Kermit Castart Ken library heavy Harry Styles to able to company anywhere ish.
Tá sé tá go sé lua mí fera mar bhí sé glár néim óhreile ach bhí sé le ceirblion ní sin na mé so just bhí marrí briste. Ach look, níl seo fumsa, níl an tag fumsa. James Leonard.
Cén airde
Chuig sé.
No.
Oh no, tá caigúil sí sé right ar leid.
No, she just foi 5'11". So
Wow.
Go hard lumps of faster. I'm telling you. Tall kings.
Cén time tar muinte lethe?
An cadagam ledge cé jeir de mami seki.
Huh?
And what cadagam ledge like hint.
Tosan le S. Agus máthir le A.
Andrea.
Oh, fuck man.
Let's go at her second.
Oh, Scott.
Oh, okay.
So Visa B.
No, nearly in Rodella was like just Shanae. Viescom because Taylor Allison Swift fiction and Rod turned in your hair and so Shana Fago and Anam Shinner.
Oh yeah. Taylor Allison Swift or
Twitter stands.
The Swifties.
And Yarna to Sraith can the edit sin like Ruti Rio killed that like not even gur hurt to Maha but gur hurt to / like whole to section da all too well it's like oh imagine like the karma like piece of the fish / like were you ever tempted like the very full on stand Twitter?
No, like just no. I Peter TikTok but like
so Vita or TikTok Vita like to Mahon like Puctor na fish da Taylor Hurlish Naran shot.
Oh no, Cat Michelle is going to grow like you saw Aron Seki like Jenny fish but not like Pictory Day. No that. No. Jesus Christ, no, like the shin in a posty. Well, Beijing you should have brought on talking more Jen because Jen fish.
If you want to read now what this not be shot the For You page I'm on is just what dingy that.
Shin fear. This posty Jenny ready to Taylor Swift. So
the hurt bird hurt a dinger. in the history of time. But Taylor Swift might go like
No.
Oh, okay.
Came
Okay, let's go, Joe.
in the Áine mo good.
Daniel O'Donnell.
Oh yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
Wee Daniel.
It East. He's on get on buzz at Daniel O'Donnell.
Like Conas not taken to him buzz the Daniel O'Donnell.
Okay, James just ní higann tún ceann seo mar eall nach bhfuil éon
What?
nasca go le dúna ngáil.
Like Daniel. Anyway,
So
Daniel.
níl actually Leah in a stan or just ar go bháin. Tá actually tá tú go homla an gafa le Daniel as dahanmis or the bhean hóisiilta
Oh, yeah.
le blian inus.
Yeah. Like tá cut out. Almost if Gary cut out I called the Taylor
Yes.
Daniel.
Yes.
Let the hall gan
Right,
down
yes.
1 second, right to make condol just
Seo má tú I cuairtú leisciil a bhí. Mana bhfuil an YouTube dá an chláir seo fechiad chuige rio seo éon foiinis.
Sean Tom.
Yeah, seo and Tom. But this is a great géisiir le seo ar Spotify agus just curpás and she could put you seo agus ché hic in YouTube agus
No, chuil géisi go Spotify, because ní tada le feiceáil jo.
Níl
No.
James ar hasta. Má
No.
tá si bhí ag James Eccles hiag
Oh, Taylor! Sin Taylor!
Oh, shut Taylor. Okay, so the cardboard cutout. Oh my! The count of Taylor atá Ulwar agus an sin the count of Daniel O'Donnell atá anbheog le Taylor.
I know. Not go sé cobiog.
Tá sé travel sized. Sin is.
An dogan tú ar sira latte.
Yeah. Never me for the rasher and you talk lucky me lum. Sinam plan.
Dá ro ort an roa a dhéanú inis agus seanach mé tú ebalta an ceis á fragart. Dá ro roa agad bhí tab a buúla le duine bhhain Daniel na Taylor céin duine a bhfuil leat.
Daniel.
Really?
Yeah, Captain go in Korean is farlish.
Yeah, feic an crack am I.
Yeah, like Taylor Captain go she ro Kylo kind of like, you know, Cora Kiara to Belgit.
During go scríach sí ó an fut go bí de múlach sí leat.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Give far I feel got Daniel O'Donnell over Taylor Swift.
Daniel O'Donnell. Well, there's by our tuggy like giga.
Tá kinship.
So bheith an Cora homlan as Gaelic. Agus just bheith a wadní smó agin a Lord free. Like tá Sean like cap me if we shot Hannah hin must read over on go me any fucking Daniel. So tá sin fragger card.
An ru tú smuit you were like heard thing Ellen cash art no an ru say like in the camera like Latin if you like I wonder like the row chance go like okay.
No, sin in cash like current dini or because sin like an yadini is mo Tom and Raw low. So yeah.
So Kate Ella Hurach to Egedine.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, so let Daniel, yeah.
Peter didn't again at all like in your boss, so I'll just convert you Peter like Dana like intuck Sean. You know, so come.
Archbishop Desmond Tutu, Bedger. No.
Peter didn't again punch in physics, like Peter go cry shit, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Wedding immersion.
Dinner party.
Well, Kane Dini and Fuck like K Jane Fragger Clark then.
James like Dan Bilzerian, Drake, just kosher more.
No, 100%. Didn't one.
Brad Pitt.
LeBron James on.
Oh, LeBron James, yeah, can shit, yeah.
100%. Thank you really didn't take it. The skull toke a gasser.
Mm-hmm.
God of them are all-time point scorer in the history of NBA.
Uncle James Dear Cuslish.
Yes.
I guess James is damn dead. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I guess I'd say see this shouldn't want sports, so how can I think he's at it? I say Barack Obama, so what's in on basketball through the image, it's just man can't feel life.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
James was
That's a fun time.
but there's a quirky thing like Emert Kishfell lap. There's an easier way like you guys to
There isn't Hugh. There really isn't. Need anything if I give me basketball like the shot.
Oh my god.
Tá mis just a saoilt Leah mar dhégor. Was go chuid smó chalíní, you know, bhí póster de Justin Bieber acu ar na Bali agus One Direction ó cibh cean agus just bailla Leah caiigro se just clúda heile picture de Daniel O'Donnell agus í fásan níos.
Níor seo like rud an sim níor hasí me sé géisteach le Taylor Swift nó Daniel O'Donnell, but Taylor Swift ábhééis a carjaig, so bhí me se ceir bliana déagdéis, trí bliana déagdéis agus Daniel O'Donnell ach dtí cúpla bliana hin. So níor is me se le ceol na bhí minute aga an sin aisteach. Like níor mé mar stand one day nó like Justin Bieber. Nís go David ó dhéanam agam, but níor is me le ceol. So níor aine má YouTubers.
Oh, yes.
YouTuber stan a bhí me. Oh my god, like ná bhí me imime stan ceart.
Cé na YouTubers a bhí tú gafa le?
Na cin ar thuir sih riamhfuoi the shitards.
Yes.
Oh
my god.
No, Hugh, like ní higann tú, like bhí me se gafa leis an clan seo. So Áine James is clanad atá na hcónaí in Idaho, sa Stát India, and just bhí si ag genú like daily vlogs agus, but bhí me se gafa leis an clan seo. Like, I mean gafa bhí picturí agam printáilte amach agam de ahan duine sa clan. Curtha ar balla sagam, like ní higann sib bhí me se gafa lo. Agus bhí chu siad amach féileire a an bblion, and bhí siad ag genú cin leis like sinithe beidir na páistí ar chu fásta chur sinú ar chu. Déag me se €100 do féileire.
Leah.
No, but bhí si technically dig mommy and daddy because bhí me se agus mar grifir géir can, so bhar si jaacin.
Oh my god.
I know.
Tá mis fós ní máb de credit gro picturí den ahan ball sa child like so we pictured the pastí den igen
Lanov
nach go an go
like
Lanov I've like chuig pláis acu. No.
Yeah, no bhí like pastí agus like beidir bhí si like Yavian jagdíis and then Lanov a beidir very hecían. Like bhí si ar mura agus ceapam ag gar siar because it's Mormons iad like sin religion sacu. Bhí me se like right Tá me sé géirí bheith a Mormon, Tá me sé géirí an saoil seo. Cur me se bhí is ciban am seo bhí Surface Pro agam like an tablet sin cur me se PowerPoint le chéile faoin religion. Hí me se sios de dinner ar an dónach le mommy, daddy agus me griffer. Cur me se an PowerPoint seo agus a cuair as a guys seo an religion dom like seo aontim na 100 like so it is Jenna se céalú. Dar nóí hosí siad na gaire filéas me sem mac céú like ní ship like to shot like dé tug tastal wem agus níl like na Mormon Church rolodger an seo an airan ag bhí matáid agentá gom like right tan canas congra i mé firste so like tá man an dom like ar an boss a an dona like bhí seo chu le chéile agam bhí se planal sem mac agam and then they were like absolutely no like wise up so yeah bhí me brainwashed like not even joking because being on sale sin tastal them and that's that so
joke leis na history aigena mehéin Hugh as James echo chu láthair bhín tuagan bhí ar mail oscailte ní higlum si do chréid.
I know
ar dús bhí picture go babyad the wall.
I know
sin ring it to PowerPoint ag ís
tá sé fós agam
Leah.
No and Rodney's massa race because obviously bhíon féas sin agam and then cúpla bliana in sin bhí muid sin idirblion an bhíing don rang radaún rud é gan occur ar láthair faoi radaún chimpa an dó, and so cum se cin faoi Church of Latter-day Saints le chéile don rang the guys éisteach lom tá an tuaile seo agam hena haon so
Scríomh South Park an episode sin faoin na Mormons méála do híal.
I think a bit,
yeah. So te go inis gra seachtach agus le dé níl an síl sin ag tastal an níos so, but tá na Mormons like table muid de Queens a an lá like géirí leor chat agus tá sé genú ar Instagram post a bhín si de DMs like a an duine Queens and mas rud ag sin ag tarú dom na bhí mé bhhad níos óga Jaring me welo like honestly.
Sinead tú an caró siad sé blian ó hin.
I know.
Could have got me once.
Hello, my name is Elder Leah, and I would like to share with you the most amazing book.
Leah is Omí rud weird agus Thig
Mhm.
tárá amsa ar a phodchraoladh seo.
Mhm.
Phodchraoladh.
That's up there now.
Yes,
So,
phodchraoladh. Yep.
yeah.
Yep. Take 'em.
Ní rom súla seo ar hána tú ar an gláirniu a churbe.
no.
No.
Ní ceap an gairt me se go peile ré, like tá go hart le, but so seach exclusive to phodchraoladh.
Agus táid buíoch.
Exclusive. Leah ní Mhurchú, possible Mormon.
Beit bheith alta go an sin de jo.ie Hugh.
Oh yeah. I'll be sin cinlína an sin.
No, was it getting down in the research on Cecha Mór atá Taylor Swift agus Daniel O'Donnell in the Mormon industry.
Oh
Mormon
yeah.
religion.
Caihí se gohfuil nascin
Nasc asking them.
So bhí sin má héile mé na cin zoala agus ahanana, but it was a shétard that were my jam.
Oh my god. Sinna actually dárate like
Yeah.
No. I know.
Níl focail ar bíthe go.
Like Saturday má hisismóirí just ag síon sin ag gur dinner sochtainí and me like, so this is the Book of Mormon and bhíonn si ag leor faoi níor hiic me se like an religion ar thorbí ba ceap me se gur seolas agam. So yeah.
Ní ring tú like secret Mormonism or harpy no you wrote to like carcurna Elios was na rudí Latin or whatever like
No,
you know.
it was just na rudí bhí bheith go on a shitards and because bhí obviously bhí like clan socu like jahar and dad sa clan bhí siad in a fiction and bhí driffer socu so bhí si just ahan this is like Idaho Mormon to Michigan on but tá canin ar TikTok as like Dara atá in a choning in Utah ish agus tá sé sin a Mormon like that could have been me like my brother girl like mommy me sin yenu like Viidir me mis hall in Utah posta ag like ní léna ag déis na pasta viidir
le like quick pasta just like
mhm
na Ezekiel
Mormons rich though,
the
huh?
Zacharias branch I think or cin or kid to the enu
Bhí like na sépa agus rudí mental acu dul, man. It's massive.
oh bhí na temples
Yeah.
just their own Leah or mastermind and you're like yeah topic it's Taylor Swift agus Mormonism agus sinné.
oh lord yeah so bhí sé meis per YouTubers sin gotta be a dhéanamh agam they're not going to make it stuck in one direction so
As what the brand one YouTubers normal for láir?
tá tá éan sib leis Cody Cohen Noel Miller
Oh yeah.
Bhí tháinig meis éiad sin in Vicar Street in Malachy a go bliana hin bhí siad sin tanin phodchraoladh saculam ceanna not really mór an daoine just beidir phodchraoladh ar YouTube fi láthar sin ag na seansalaithe
na stands ahain sin dáchráte. Bhí me go bh like oh like to do some YouTube faster but like not ar an níor má chiche ar an level gro mai garí religiún na ahrú marhealir.
He me go mod just a le chun ará cin canélas fearlinn agus sinné.
Yeah, ich habe mich wie got all the vision, yeah. Like be mis brand Good Mythical Morning. It's me just kicking with the weird.
Good Mythical Morning.
Yeah, so like never in my wildest dreams come close together.
Wildest dreams, Taylor Swift.
Ní alchema rud one as screen is this man. You know what? Sin idea really mass. My god, I get this tea up.
Leah, and you're how good Sir Parson obsessive about it.
Yeah, an apple solar Hanahan. Obviously.
Inar talúte go tatú go thomla gafa leis.
Yeah, tá sin not gonna feel like Leah, like him and lone kinna or for like cúpla seachna and then it's like right, chinde on to the next one, ruddy ganella. Just being gafa 100. So yeah. Sin me
At least you know to Gary ahrú the religion more yaller the loan though. Sean,
Yeah.
like this is on a whole other level. Like just Mhurchú go an sin.
Yeah, agus ar cúpla bliana hen bhí scanal buinte leis na sétards tháinig a
Yes.
oh my god, that was a big moment in my life like bhí sin ionach mórú bhí bhí on like
Bhí gal má le ban chartile or bhí se like text
but,
ban chartile is wish chan repab because 100.
Yeah, because it's alcohol agus but it was ban like cam girl no ag mar sin bhí sé like iglóir se agus like bhí me se oh my god this like na bhí sin bhí mar archar is like breagach like na seo could you bhí me haar mar whole like Mormon fies ag an am but fós fé sé like wow bitch like tá man sauce in our mission.
Oh my god. Yeah, no cyfnig go mar sin fásta cos bhí cumá físní ahan a le an seachtain.
Yeah, like sin dogra se.
No.
So ahanrod gur híal tú gro sa got fiú ba bhré go bhí an.
Sinne like I know brainwashed ní méid magú like tá seo dair bhí mé brainwashed ag an captain like ní a fiad magú cos leor siad faoin ralagun an tamar fad so I mean and it's in their like ralagun condini a bháú ag ralagun sacu so tá ag ráliv and is gur ra mé brainwashed.
So bhí si Jenna seo déon gro agus it tuairt kind of cumá an dearfachar an releún mar chuide agus dibrí sé obviously.
Yeah, like obviously bhí mis an in airan in Winnicán ag tuairt PowerPoint de clan agam faoin releún so.
Well, tá muid sásta ggóil tú gur bhris tú a maithasan as an brainwash drove to like exorcism genart
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Imagine that Mormons got hard tiche dini ag náamsin dó ag gur deal religion cos in the boys in the vins in Áine today. Leah, clán Leah look more Mormons
Her craic an dars. Or why that's a bit more parts than Ralligan the Mormon.
The Mormon Monaghans.
Mor-Monaghan. So Jira and Shin.
Clár iontar television sin agat.
Yeah.
Go back image by YouTube channel or in the charts with Mor-Monaghan.
Is it good right here Ash okay. Don't question.
Oh my god. Yeah, no sílam gur bééis sin gur mí maigh socht a bheith na seansalaithe gur dúspáir gur mí maigh asocht Leah le bheith ar an chláir mar an ced í Leah mat gar chuirsí chéanhatain agus cinetú féidir le daoine tú amsú mat gohabí cáiltúmsa.
Yeah, well it's at Mhurchú ar Instagram, Twitter agus TikTok. Yeah, agus an Tespe an phodchraoladh ar Spotify agus angel doctor TikTok.
agus Mor-Monaghan
agus ar LinkedIn Leah Murphy Leah Murphy LinkedIn yeah.
Agus má aon get a PowerPoint presentation for you the Mormons.
Tá sin agam ar mar go yeah.
Oh my god. Ag le fáil Áine ar Áine Weir ar Twitter, Instagram agus TikTok. You got James L ar Fáilte ar Instagram, Twitter agus TikTok agus Dumsa L ar Hugh Carr here ar Twitter agus Instagram agus Hugh Carr ar an TikTok. Bhfuil rud bhí eile go gaiimiid ráin solar le mu hanna sé. Sin go béis sin
Up the Mormons.
Up the Mormons.
As the Swifties for life.
Yeah.
Up the Swifty Mormons.
Up the Mormon Swifties. Yeah. Gur mí maigus bhta géisi agus dú rás mú chatting le Eagrán uair den na seachtainí. Slán.